and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. Today we are going to review an app called Net Speed Indicator. All it does is it monitors your internet usage, your data usage as well as your Wi-Fi usage. I have done another review for an app from the same developer and it is called Battery Guru. Please check the description below or the card up for that video. So I have what you are seeing here is you are seeing the download page from Google Play Store for the app. Please make sure that you give 5-star rating for the app in Play Store if you like the app. That is a kind of support for the developer that you are giving him. You are giving him extra motivation to develop new things. I've already done that an year back. So please make sure that you give ratings for app developers when you download app. This is what Net Speed Indicator looks like from notification area. Let us launch the application from the notification area and let's see what all functions it has inside to offer you. So let us launch it. Here it is launching. So this is the home page of the application and really we have good details, or the layout is attractive. What we are going to do is we are going to enable the permissions. I know there is a little bit of ad popping up in the bottom side. Really we cannot complain. Developer is giving a lot of stuff for free. So let us first change the theme of the app from dark to light. I always prefer light mode. Let us go back to the home page again. So here we are and we are going to enable the permission for the app. It really helps the app to understand your usage. If you don't enable permissions, it cannot really get data from your device. So please make sure that you give necessary permissions. So let's go to permissions now. Here we are going to give a couple of permissions for the app. The first one is usage access. So I'm using an MIUI ROM. It is a bit weird with MIUI ROM how to give this usage access. Yeah, there is a gray screen and you have to wait for 3 to 4 seconds before you finish off things. I don't know why they do that. Is it really necessary? It's up to MIUI. So we have given the permission to usage access now. Let us go back to the app again. Maybe you can, if you prefer to enable location access, you can enable location access. I don't think that is a problem because nobody is going to knock on your door one fine morning and say, oh, you have enabled the location and we got location from this app. No, nobody is going to do that. So maybe if you want to, you can enable the location access. Again, MIUI thing, I cannot really help. Let us go back to the app again. So it has started to get some data from the once you have enabled permission, started to get some data. We have the Wi-Fi usage statistics in the bottom side and my data usage displays 0 because I don't use mobile data, so it is always 0. If you use mobile data, it will display that. Two kinds of data usage are there. One is daily usage and the other one is monthly usage. It keeps on updating each and every now, so no need to worry about it. There is a nice little graph running in the top side. It is really wonderful. This app is wonderful and it does the job. This is about the landing page that we have over here. Let us move on to the next function. It is the app usage page. I know there is a little bit of ad coming up. Please tolerate it because this is a really good app and they are doing really good job. Here in the app usage data page, you get the app usage, how much each app has used your internet, and this is really good. I know many ROMs are doing the same, but they don't give you the exact amount of data that each and every app has used. So this application gives you that. And you can always tolerate the extra ad that keeps on popping up. It's not always annoying, but yeah, it displays ad. And please make sure that you don't use a ad blocker or something like that. Really, developer gets money from these ads and please make sure that you are supporting them. It costs you nothing. So you can really scroll up and see all the application details. This only happens when you enable the permission. Next one is really good, speed test. So we get a speed test option in the application, and what it helps you to do is it helps you to understand your Wi-Fi or data speed that is provided by your internet service provider or ISP. So we are going to enable and see what is my upload and download speed. Wow, it is starting up, so please give it some time. Right, what do I have over here? About 30 megabytes per second, I suppose, because this is a 30 megabytes connection, and yeah, 29.4 or something like that. I don't need to really complain, this is enough for me. And the upload speed should be around 30, so it will, the thing will come back. Yeah, the needle is coming back, right, somewhere in 30 up, or I don't know. So this is really useful if you want to measure your data connection speed. So this is the settings page of the back to yeah, this is the settings page of the app, and in that settings page you can really modify the permissions that you have given. It's all, the options are all related to app, so you can really enable or disable permission. Yes, here you have the permission manager, what we have seen in the first shot. If you want to disable something, you can disable it from here. Now, yeah, this is indicator setup. If you observe top corner, you can see that there is a small two colored icon, and one is for screen recorder and another one is for net speed indicator. You can customize the indicator setup into a different thing, modify it according to your wish, download or upload speed, that is up to you. So this is the font area. You can set bold font if you want to. So this doesn't really matter, only for some tech geeks it matter. If you are a normal user, you just want to know the speed of your internet connection, your data usage. So this is not, that is very much interesting for a normal user. Just forget about it. So I'm using an MIUI and it displays the app icon on my status bar. Let us see how to make it work as an indicator. Go to the status bar settings page and disable the colored notification icon. As you can see from the screen record itself, I have disabled that option. So it will really start to disable your network speed. So this is how you do it. If you cannot see the network indicator setup on your status bar, this is what you have to do. Guys, final thoughts about the app. Net speed indicator is useful if you want to measure your internet speed, data usage, how much data you have consumed. Now, my opinion is, if you don't have a net speed indicator, or even if you have a net speed indicator but you wish to know additional information regarding your internet or data usage, please make sure that you use this app. Two reasons why I recommend. The user interface is easy to manage. The app is easy to manage. Secondly, developer did a great job by giving all the necessary function that a customer requires, that a user requires from an app like this. So this is really useful, and please make sure that you support him by enabling the ad and giving him a 5-star rating in Play Store. Now, thank you for watching video, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.